In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Campaign Monitor. By the end, you'll have a polished form ready to collect subscribers in a way that fits your website and brand. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. Click the official result to go to the homepage, then select Login. Once you're in, head to the top navigation and choose Lists and Subscribers. This area is the heart of your audience management. Click the name of the list you want new subscribers to join. If you manage multiple lists, pick the one that best fits the audience you're trying to grow. On the left-hand side of your list page, click Sign Up Forms. Here's where you'll choose the form format that works best for your goals. A sign-up page is a standalone link you can share anywhere. Great for social bios, email signatures, or quick campaigns. An embedded form sits directly on a page of your website, perfect for footers, sidebars, or resource pages. A pop-up form appears over your content based on timing or behavior, which can be powerful for promotions or exit intent offers. Think about where your audience is most likely to engage, then make your selection. Next, add the fields you need. Click Add Custom Field to collect more than just email addresses, such as first name or company. Keep it focused. Asking for fewer fields usually improves completion rates. If you do collect extra details, make it clear how that information helps you send more relevant content. Now, tailor the look and feel. Use the sidebar tools to adjust colors, upload your logo, and update the button text. Swapping a generic submit for something like Join the Club or Get Updates can boost clicks. Aim for strong color contrast for accessibility and keep fonts easy to read. Match your brand style so the form feels native to your site. Move to the Settings or Confirmation tab to craft what happens after someone signs up. You can write a short, friendly thank you message or redirect people to a specific page on your site, like a welcome page, a special offer, or a resource download. Set expectations here by mentioning what they'll receive and how often. When you're happy, click Save and Generate Code if you chose an embedded or pop-up form, or Save and Get Link for a sign-up page. That gives you the snippet or shareable link you'll use to publish your form. That's it. You've created a clean, on-brand sign-up experience in Campaign Monitor that's ready to grow your list.